Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy puff puff with some special ingredients. I've got my all-purpose flour here, which is our main ingredient, but then I have these special ingredients. I'll be using egg in our puff puff. I'll also be adding some evaporated milk and pineapple extract. Yeah, pineapple extract. I'm not using any other flavor. And then we have our basic ingredients, which are the yeast. So I'll be adding 1 sachet of my instant yeast. I'll also add half cup of sugar, granulated sugar. And to make it spicy, I'll be adding a teaspoon of chili pepper, dry chili pepper. That's optional, you can skip that one. So the next thing I'll do is to mix all the dry ingredients together first before adding our wet ingredients, which is milk and the eggs and the pineapple flavor. Let's continue. And there's some water. Then mix everything together gradually. I used 1.5 cup of water. But if you want it lighter than this, you can add more water. I'm okay this way. I'll cover this with something. I'll keep it and allow it to rise or double in size. Oh, the thing is overflowing. Oh, God, oh, God, oh, God. It's after about 75 minutes. That's 1 hour, 15 minutes. I was doing something, so I couldn't come up on time. Oh, we'll get this place back. I'll stir it again so that the bubbles can settle down or the egg can go off. It smells so good from the pineapple flavor. If you're seeing all those tiny red, it's from the pineapple flavor. It's time to fry our puff puff. You can fry it. Heat up some cooking oil, throw in your puff puff batter this way, and fry until golden brown on all sides. Beautiful color, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here we have our egg, milk, and pineapple flavored Nigerian puff puff. Very soft and fluffy. And also very delicious. Very, very delicious. That pineapple flavor gave it a very good taste. The milk also. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you'll be giving it a try. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.